You know what really annoys me? This probably annoys you if you've ever had friends that have had hay fever, or parents, or anyone really. People that sneeze and they use their hands, but they don't use tissues. Tissues are way more than just for your nether regions, okay? Use your tissues, be clean, okay? You want to stay healthy? Stop sneezing germs and filth on yourself and others, okay? It's disrespectful. Completely disrespectful. Ugh. I mean, God, the tissues aren't that expensive, guys. I mean, geez, it's only a few dollars each, and they last a good while. Okay? So just, it's weird when people do that. Oh, shit. Oh, my phone!